Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joshua McDonald, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country. Now before we get started, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe down below to see more car content, and let's jump right into it. So first things first, we'll start off with the key. You have your lock, unlock, remote start, tailgate. You can open up the back glass and use the panic button. Up front on the High Country, you can see we have the bronze accents in the grills that are exclusive to the High Country with the High Country logo in the middle. Classic Chevrolet bow tie. You can also see your front camera up there for the 360 camera system. Little circles in the bumper for your ultrasonic sensors. You do have a little vent up there in the front on the left and right side for aerodynamics. You can see we have LED accented headlights. Coming around to the wheels, these wheels are exclusive to the High Country. They're wrapped in Bridgestone tires. As you can see there, these are 22-inch wheels. They're the same size all the way around. Also, you're gonna have High Country badging on the fenders. Chrome trim around the windows, chrome trim around the door handles as well. These are the keyless door handles, so you can leave the key in your pocket. You can lock or unlock the vehicle with the key in your pocket. Also, you'll notice when we open up the door, these running boards come out so you can get in and out nice and easily. Moving around to the back, we have quad exhaust tips on this vehicle. You also do have your towing hookup underneath here as well as your spare tire. To remove this, there's just two little wing nut tabs. So you just turn these on the left and the right side. And you can pull this out. And there's your towing hookups and everything. So you can see here, we have a 4-pin and a 6-pin connector. Now to open up the back hatch, you can use the key. So I'll demonstrate that real quick. Just double tap this button right here. That glass will pop open. Super nice if you just want to reach in and throw some stuff back there real quick. You can also see you have your rear wiper blade. Go ahead and close that back. You can also open up the whole assembly with the button right there at the bottom. So inside of here, you can see we have all of our controls for these third row seats. They are electronic, so you can put those down. So this will put down the left side, and this other one will put down the right side. So tons of room with that third row down. You can also see we're gonna have some storage underneath here as well as your tools to pull out your spare tire. You can also lower the second row by double tapping these buttons, and you can also flip them up as well, just like that. You can see we have a 3-prong outlet back here. So we'll go ahead and put everything back up. Just like that. And then you have to manually put up the second row. So to close the tailgate, you can just push the button or use the key. Here's where you put your gas in at. This one has the 6.2 liter V8, so premium fuel, 93 octane is recommended. You have the capless gas fill system. So you can see on the interior of the High Country, we have this exclusive brown color with wood accents. You can also see we do have Bose premium audio, plenty of storage in the second row. Let's go ahead and put these back up. Really nice seating arrangement here. You can see we have this nice brown and white piping all the way around. Nice soft brown leather. These seats are fully adjustable, so you can move them forwards and backwards, as you can see there. You can also raise up on this lever and flip it up as well. So moving to the third row, you can see what kind of room we have back here. This is about eye level for me, so you can see I have plenty of headroom. Let's go ahead and put this second row down and see how much room we have. there you go. There's the leg room for me. Cup holders back here, storage. We also do have phone plug-ins, all that good stuff. Same thing on the other side. Now moving up to the second row, we can move our seat backwards or forwards, depending on how much room you want. We have all of our AC controls. These seats are heated as well. A couple of USBs back here. We do have a 3-prong outlet as well. Storage behind both the seats. Let's go ahead and show you that. So storage behind both the seats. Beautiful captain's chairs in the second row. We also do have our own AC outlets and lights as well. Door handle will get in and out nice and easy. And let's go ahead and take a look up front. So up front, you'll see that same styling with the brown seats with wood accents. 2 different modes for the memory seats. You also do have an exit setting as well. Fully automatic driver and passenger window. The mirrors also do fold in with this button. You can see that little car in the corner right there. That will light up orange if something's in your blind spot, which is really nice. You can also fold those back out. Full power driver seat, so you can move it forwards, backwards. You can lower or raise this bottom portion. You can raise the whole assembly or lower it. You can also recline the seat backward or forward. And you also do have all of your lumbar controls right here. High Country badging in the headrest. Really beautiful seats up here. Let's go ahead and hop inside. Get her started up. You can see as soon as we hop inside, we have this beautiful little cinematic video pop up on both the screens. To start up, you just put your foot on the brake, hit the start button, and she comes to life. So starting off with the steering wheel, you can see we have a heated steering wheel. We can adjust our forward collision distance. So we have 3-car, 2-car, and 1-car links. All of our cruise control buttons in one place. We can control that center menu by going up and down, left and right, hitting enter. On that center menu, you're gonna have your information, which is gonna be your speed, summary, trip odometers, timer, tire pressure, fuel economy, driver assistance, oil life, brake pad life, air filter life, trailer brake, off-road, engine hours, transmission fluid temperature, everything you need in one place. You also do have an audio, navigation, phone, and settings tab as well. Behind the steering wheel, you can see these 2 little paddles. We can scroll up and down through our music. The steering wheel is adjustable as well, so you can move it backwards, forwards, up, and down. We can turn our volume up and down on the other side. You'll also notice we do have an electronic parking brake, so with your foot on the brake, hit that and that'll cut on. You can see it's cut on right there in the center screen. Same thing to cut it off. We also do have our lane keep assist that we can cut on or off, front and back parking sensors, automatic stop start, traction control, hill descent, and we do have 360 cameras. So when you push that button, you can see all the cameras right here in the middle. You can see in front of you, behind you. You have a zoomed in back, zoomed in front view, front tires, back tires, tow hitch. And you also do have a couple of different lines. So you have a line for parking and a line for hooking up a trailer. Speaking of the touchscreen, on here you're gonna have your audio, which is your AM, FM, Sirius XM radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also do have built-in Google Maps, phones, the cameras I just showed you, Google Assistant, Google Play Store, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You also do have all of these apps as well. And you do have a main menu, so you can see your navigation and music all in one place. With the shifting system, you push for park, pull back for reverse, push for neutral, pull back for drive, push for L mode, and you can also shift down or up through gears in L mode. Coming back over on this side, you can see we have a fully adjustable heads-up display, so you can control the brightness, change the information, or move the heads-up display up and down. So as you can see there's the heads-up display. Here's all of your different information. So you have your miles per hour, you have your driver assistance, navigation, and your off-road statistics. Coming back over here, we have all of our four-wheel drive controls. So we have automatic, 4 high, 2 high, 4 low, and we have different drive modes. So if you move this to the left or right, it'll change the drive modes for you. What we have is normal, tow haul, off-road, sport, and normal again. You can also raise or lower the vehicle. So if you push that and then dial this to the left or right, you can select what kind of clearance you want. So you have entry, normal, increased ground clearance, and maximum, which you need to be a 4 low for. This does have air suspension, so everything is fully customizable. All of your light controls in one place. We also do have a trailer brake controller. You can adjust that as well. Here's where you open the hood up at. Wireless charging pad in the middle, 2 USBs. We also do have a cigarette lighter port, 2 cup holders, and we do have the center console with a phone holder up top, 2 cup holders for the second row, storage space in the middle. This also does open and close, so the way you do that is you can push this forward or backwards. And as you can see, this will move all the way back for you, so your second row can reach the cup holders, or you can use this to hold your purse or something like that. You can also open this up for more storage space. And the way you close it up is you hit this back arrow, and it'll close right up for you. We have heated and cooled seats on the driver and passenger side. We can control the rear climate as well as the front climate. It is dual zone, so my side can be different from the passenger side. We have our mute button for the touchscreen, volume adjustment, so we can turn that up or down, home button, seeking, and going back. This will allow you to scroll through and select. You have your hazards right here and a little coin holder right there in the middle. Here's our rear view mirror. So it can either be the camera or normal mirror. You can raise that up or down to turn that on or off. You can adjust the brightness. You can zoom in or out. And you can also move it up or down. All of your OnStar buttons in one place. We also do have all of our sunroof controls right here. So we can open up the sunshade or close it. It will close all the way, or it'll open all the way up for you. We can also open up the sunroof, just like that. And the way you close it is you just pull back the other way. You also do have a tilt control for the sunroof if you want it to just be tilted up. And you can close that back as well. This button right here will open up the back hatch. You can open it up all the way, 3/4 or off. So if you push that button right there in the center, that tailgate will open right up for you. And you can close it back the same way. These are your controls for the third row, so you can lower or raise the third row from the front. Three different garage door openers. You do have a couple of lights up here. And you do have a glove box with plenty of storage space. But absolutely beautiful interior on this vehicle, as you can see there. But we'll go ahead and hop out. We'll take one last look at the outside. I'll also show you guys the window sticker as well. But make sure you guys comment down below. What do you guys think of the Chevrolet Tahoe High Country? Would you rather have this or something else? Let me know in the comments down below. But this looks beautiful with those 22-inch wheels. It is lowered all the way right now, so you can see that. And moving to the window sticker. Like I said before, this is a 2024 Chevrolet Tahoe 4-wheel drive High Country. This one is the dark ash metallic with a jet black and mocha interior. 6.2 liter V8 with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Base price of the High Country is $79,400. This one has all of these packages on it, so a destination charge comes out to $86,105. with that 6.2 liter V8, you're gonna get 60 miles per gallon combined, 14 city, 18 highway. You can also see the crash rating, so it has a 4-star overall, 5-star on the frontal, 4-star on the driver and passenger. Side crash, you can see the front seat and rear seat, and 3-star on the rollover. So here's the whole window sticker if you guys want to pause it and take a look at it. But if you guys are still watching, I appreciate you watching to the very end. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below for more car content. But that's all for now. You'll see a few videos here in the corner. If you find those interesting, make sure you click on them and check them out. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.